Chocolate's going to make Monday better. Food specialist and cookbook author Charmaine Broughton joins us with some delicious and very doable recipes ahead of Valentine's Day, or hey, Monday.
Yeah, there you go. What
Yeah.
a way to kick off a Monday with some awesome chocolate recipes.
And hot chocolate, very special hot chocolate.
Yes, so a twist on your typical hot chocolate, peanut butter hot chocolate. So peanuts and peanut butter, they are staples in Canadian homes, and peanut butter is almost like a secret ingredient. Yes, it's great on a piece of toast, but it's also nice when you combine it into a variety of different recipes, including a hot chocolate. It adds a little bit of plant protein, but also a really nice creaminess, and it just kind of ups your hot chocolate game.
Okay, so you make your regular hot chocolate and what, just put like a dollop of peanut butter
Yeah,
in
so
it?
all the recipes are up at peanutbureau.ca. So yes, you can take, like you can use a regular like packaged hot chocolate and just add some peanut butter to it if that makes life easier for you. And or you can follow the recipe, it's cocoa and milk and so on. And it's about a 1/4 cup of peanut butter into the recipe. You just whisk it in until it melts. And it is absolutely delicious. Again, perfect for Valentine's Day, breakfast, and or maybe family day post tobogganing, skiing, snowshoeing.
And how did you get that little rim on there?
So I melted some chocolate, and then I dipped the rim of the glass in some chocolate, and then I garnished it with some crushed peanuts. And it just, you know, it really elevates your hot chocolate game. And it tastes even better than it looks.
Okay, all right. Now we're gonna make these bars here.
Yes, peanut pretzel chocolate bars. They are absolutely phenomenal. And to quote Haley, the makeup artist, I gave her one while she was doing my makeup, and she said they're like a roller coaster of flavor in your mouth.
Oh,
and I thought, ding ding, that like describes it perfectly. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to take some chocolate cookie crumbs and mix it with some peanut butter and butter.
Okay.
Pop it into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, into the oven for a couple minutes until it sets. And then it's just a matter of layering some pantry staples. So again, some peanuts, pretzels, some little peanut butter chocolate cups, and some chocolate chips. Just mix it all together. Onto the base it goes like this. And then you just simply take a can of sweetened condensed milk, pour it on top, just like, and you get the sweetness and the saltiness, and then the creaminess from the peanuts, and also from the peanuts, you know, you get the plant protein and fiber and healthy fats. I know it's a dessert, but there's actually quite a few nutrients in peanuts, and they're a great pantry staple.
It's the start of the roller coaster in your mouth.
Yeah. There you go. So into the oven for about 25 minutes, and then you get these ooey gooey, amazing, awesome bars. Look at that. And then those are the peanut butter cheesecake truffles. And I actually took a bite of one just so everybody could see the inside.
So that's yours.
Yeah.
I'll take a bite of the other one, and that would be mine. So that's another recipe in your book then?
No, this one is also from the Peanut Bureau. So you can go to peanutbureau.ca for these 3 recipes, along with a number of other amazing recipes that incorporates peanuts and peanut butter into sweet and savory dishes, right?
All right.
Okay. Now this one is from my book, and it's my grilled chocolate sandwich. I know. Grilled chocolate sandwich. Monday morning done right. So for this, what we're going to do is we are going to make a compound butter, a sweet compound butter. So I've just taken some, I like a salted butter, and then I've zested in some orange, okay, and a little bit of maple syrup and a little bit of vanilla. You're going to stir it together, and now you've just made a flavored butter.
So that's what a compound butter is?
That's what a compound butter is. So this is a sweet compound butter. You could do a savory compound butter, but not for a grilled chocolate sandwich.
Okay.
You don't want, blue cheese and chives with your chocolate sandwich.
No.
And then what we're going to do is we are going to...
they're telling me we've got a minute left.
Oh, okay, perfect. So you're just going to butter the bread with the compound butter as if you were making a regular cream cheese.
So you butter, do you butter both sides?
I do, yes. The more the merrier.
Yes.
Sorry, as if you're making a regular grilled cheese. And then we're going to use a thin piece of dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate. You could do milk chocolate. You could do white chocolate. And then you're going to just grill it as if you were making a regular grilled cheese sandwich, but with chocolate. And then it is, this makes a really nice Sunday brunch dish.
Very nice.
And the chocolate just oozes out, just like that.
Have some fresh fruit.
Yeah, and then some whipped cream on top that's deflated a bit, and some raspberries.
And you have made our Monday.
Yeah, well, look at that,
look
oozing
at the
out.
link. Oh, that's from your
and
cookbook.
Messy hands.
Okay, that's from your cookbook. All the details up at chch.com. Great to have you in.
Thank you so much, and happy Valentine's Day.
Kind, perfect.